Hello, hello. So this is actually my wife told me to try this because I know she said my singing voice is not bad. I would like to get a bit of feedback from everybody else. Okay, try and listen and then tell me what you think about it. Mahal pangako sa'yo, hindi mababago. Ikaw ang iibigin ko, kahit ikaw ay lumayo at magsatan ako. Asahan na di laho ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malamahan. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pamamahal sa'yo'y walang hanganan, ahil man